Welcome to the future of cooking. In 2025, the kitchen is not just about food, it is about creativity, health, and smart choices. Whether you are a busy student, a health conscious parent, or someone who just loves delicious meals, this video will show you the most exciting, time saving, and trending cooking ideas of 2025. Let's spice up your meals like never before. In 2025, cooking is all about simplicity, health, and fun. People want meals that are easy to make but also full of taste and nutrition. Technology is also helping us in the kitchen. Smart ovens and cooking apps guide us step by step. One popular idea is one pot meals. These dishes are quick and need fewer dishes to clean. For example, you can cook rice, vegetables, and chicken in one pot. Add spices and sauce, and your healthy dinner is ready in 30 minutes. Another new idea is air fryer recipes. In 2025, many people use air fryers to cook with less oil. You can make crispy fries, chicken wings, or even baked vegetables. It's a healthy way to enjoy fried food. Plant-based cooking is also a big trend. More people are eating less meat. They use lentils, beans, mushrooms, and tofu to make tasty dishes. Try a veggie burger or a mushroom stir fry. They are easy and full of flavor. Don't forget about global flavor. In 2025, people love trying food from different countries. Korean BBQ, Thai noodles, Mexican tacos, and Middle Eastern wraps are becoming everyday meals at home. Also, many people are doing meal prep. On Sundays, they cook food for the week. They store it in boxes and keep it in the fridge. It saves time during busy work days. Finally, smart kitchen tools are a big help. Voice assistants can read recipes aloud. Food scales and measuring cups now cannot connect to your phone. In short, cooking in 2025 is more tasty and fun. With just a little effort, you can eat healthy, save time, and enjoy few flavors every day. Let's start cooking the future together. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, comment, share, and subscribe for more tasty videos.